everybody, quick review of the Bomaker Cinema 500 Max. Here's a quick unboxing. Get the HDMI cable, power cord, an AV adapter, a remote control, the main projector unit, the manuals, and then of course this is the box that comes in. It is native full HD 1080p, 2.5G and 5.8G gigahertz for Wi-Fi, and multi-touch. Here's some more information on the back. If you want to pause the screen and read it over, feel free to do so. And this is the Bomax Cinema 500 Max by Bomaker. Does have a removable dust cap. There's the inlet for the power, 2 USBs, AV, headphone jack, and 2 HDMI cables. Has front and rear IR sensors for the remote control. And I will be hooking this up down in my basement, and it also does include a filter on the side just to keep the internals cleaner for the airflow. The dial there on the side is for focusing.
Alright everybody, as you can see I have a full dedicated home theater room already in my house. And we are checking out this budget-friendly 1080p projector. Now I have this set up just kind of thrown together, but that's kind of the purpose of this, is that it's portable. I have one down in this basement, and of course it's fixed to the ceiling, and it's just here for good. You can take this with you camping, do it in your backyard, do it in your kids' room, whatever. And the way I set this up, just for the sake of this video, I propped it up here, have it aimed at my 150-inch screen, and I'm using just a simple portable battery pack to run this. I have it hooked up to my Xbox One with HDMI. It does come with the remote, that works fine. This is the home screen here, and I'll show you in a moment. Depending on where you set this in your room, that's how big the image will be. So of course if I go back further, the image is much bigger. If I go forward, it's going to be a lot smaller. And this is probably, I'd say 8 to 10 feet back. And the image from just the home screen anyway is pretty nice and crisp. In a moment, I'm going to take you to HDMI 1, which will be my Xbox. And we'll go through some of the settings on that. And I'll play like a quick Netflix movie or something. And I'll turn off the lights and see how good this guy actually is. So real quick, just within the matter of a couple of feet, I'm going to back it up. And now we're at probably 12 feet. And you're looking at about where the actual screen on this unit is. That's probably around 120 inches. It is a little bit more blurry now because we're further back and also the light is on. But as you get closer, that's probably about an 80 to 100 inch screen right there. And it's much more crisp and nicer. So this is just gonna be a quick overview video for this. Oh, there you go. It actually switched over to HDMI 1. I must have hit a button as I was moving it. So I was gonna do that next anyways. So here is Xbox. Hit the lights. And to be completely honest, this actually looks pretty crisp. I've never tested these portable kind of budget-friendly ones, and I wasn't so sure how good it was gonna look, but this is actually looking pretty sharp from what I can see. It may not come over as well on camera to you guys, but I'm gonna go to Netflix and just play something random. This also has a built-in speaker, and I'm gonna tell you what I think of that speaker. Of course, you won't be able to tell how good it actually sounds through your computer speakers, but I'll give you my honest input. This should be decent. It's not gonna be any type of home theater experience. Of course it won't. So let's go ahead and see if there's any type of lag. And there is absolutely no lag whatsoever based off me just hitting the controller on my Xbox, which is really nice. Let's go to YouTube, actually. Let's go to Netflix. Hopefully this is coming in good for you guys. I'm not sure if the camera's gonna do justice, but this is gonna be a 100% honest review. They did send me this for review, but I'm under no obligation whatsoever to say that it's really good, or I can say it's garbage if I feel like it. So let's just go ahead and pick this first movie. No idea what it's about. Keep breathing. And I'll just go down a little bit to a baby crying. Perfect. Let me turn up the volume. As you can see, the volume goes up.
I know it's a lot. I just don't want any surprises. I'll try to check in when I can. I just don't know what service is going to be like. Sure.
So all that sound is coming just from this unit out the back.
This is Danny. And he just came over with Merger.
Hi. Nice to meet you.
Wow, guys, I am actually...
No. I took 2 flights to get here from New York. I have to get to a new bed
Honestly,
today.
if you're just in your bedroom with
I'm trying to
this,
meet someone before they leave again.
and you're projecting this on a wall, a white wall, or even just a white sheet,
She doesn't know I'm coming.
I could see people being pretty happy with this for $200 or less. I think it's more around $150 after coupon. It's actually quite nice. I'm actually very impressed. The sound is good enough. Alright guys, here it is with YouTube. As you can see, I'm on my channel. If you haven't heard of this guy, definitely check him out. Makes incredible videos, so definitely like and subscribe to his channel. Anyways, yeah, I'm actually quite impressed for under $200 to be able to have a pretty good sized screen that so far works flawlessly out of the box. I'm literally just on my Xbox. And I would be happy with this if I was throwing this in a bedroom or an extra kids play type area. Kids could hook up their game systems, Nintendo, whatever. Has 2 HDMI ports and save a lot of money over a typical TV. You know, 70-inch TV, you're looking at, you know, $800+ and you're still not gonna get this size of a screen. So pretty impressed. I do have a couple more of these that I was sent, so I'll be doing a comparison video later with the different brands and tell you which one's better or which one lacks. But just for me throwing this together and starting it off with throwing up an Xbox and doing that quick demo for you, I must say I'm quite impressed. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did at all, please smash that like button for me. Consider subscribing, and I'll put a link down below with a coupon code that'll save you a little bit of money if you're interested in this product. If you want to see a more clean, in-depth video about this, let me know in the comments. Once again, I'll set it up nicer, make sure the screen is perfectly squared off, and give you just a better overall review. This is just more of a quick first impressions type video. So, thanks for watching, have an awesome day, and I will see you guys in the next one.